See, if the admin's button is turned on, where admin has the access to accept the order or reject the order.
Okay.
When accepting the order, na, by default, vendor will be notified by through a message. By default, the order will be accepted. If the vendor want to reject it, he can reject.
Okay.
And okay, when the order is accepted, like he will assign a agent for the order.
Okay.
See, he will suppose 10 members or 20 members or have we have an agents, so we can click on a particular agent and we can assign.
Hmm.
Mm, we should know the agent's current location and agent's battery percentage. That's it. It
Okay.
is must. The checking is must. If the order is accepted, by default it will go to accept. If it is rejected, now
Hmm.
the order will be rejected. Agent will not be assigned anything.
Okay.
When the order is accepted, it will notify a notification will be sent to agent.
Okay.
Admin has a monitoring the status, like preparing and how much time it needs and order ready and these things.
Okay.
The updated status will be sent to agent and customer. Like if order is preparing, these things will be compulsory. It will be notified for agent.
Hmm.
For customer also, if the order is ready or picked up, these things also will be notified to the customer also. Same data will be sent to agent and the customer.
Okay.
My doubt, why did I put the question mark is,
Hmm.
do I send this updated status to only agent or only customer or both? That's why I kept this. Both is in my point of view, both sending both is better option than
Yeah.
sending.
Yeah. Yes, that is the answer. So we must inform user as well as the agent too.
Yeah.
Okay, you can edit later.
Mm. Managing the orders is completed. We'll go to the next session called suppliers, where all the restaurants will be viewed by the one admin in one dashboard. In this dashboard, all the restaurants can be seen. Uh, like we can click on the one particular restaurant, he can view something else. We can see here. Suppose a particular A restaurant is there. He can view the menu and view the rating in one display only. He can view the menu and rating of it and the rating of the restaurant and order history, orders count on a particular this is on only on particular restaurant when he clicks
Hmm.
on the button.
Okay.
Like when he clicks on the menu now, he can modify, delete or add the items. He can through the access of the admin. Before deleting or adding now, the vendor should be notified to the vendor. Notification must be sent to the vendor.
Hmm.
He can view the rating using these filters: day, week, month, and year. And
Okay.
what are the order history using the same filters
Okay.
and order count on this.
Okay.
Like he has the ability to these options like ascending and descending order, maximum number of orders or minimum number of orders.
Filtering.
Filtering, yes.
Okay.
Uh, next, when he clicks on a particular restaurant, these are the things options. He need to when all the restaurants are viewed in single dashboard now single place, he need to view the rating section also. Like he need to able to filter them exact 1 2 3 4 5, maximum is 5 and minimum is 1 rating. Default is all, we can put the ratings filter
Okay.
common for all the restaurants.
Okay.
And orders count of each restaurant. Like when all the restaurants were displayed at once now, in each
Mm.
restaurant there should be the number of orders count should be mentioned upon the each restaurant. Like we are able,
Yeah, yeah.
we, filters must be done based on the maximum orders, like which restaurant has maximum orders. Like it should be based both filters at a time. We can do filtering like day based on day, week, and month and year.
Fine.
The third option is total delivery agents. Like all the delivery agents should be displayed in a single place, where
Mm.
if the admin when he clicks on a particular agent, he should know the current agent's location and his battery percent, what is the battery current battery percentage,
Mm.
and he have an access to remove the agent
Fine.
based on the rating, like that. Okay. This is we can filter the agents based on the rating and review using the same options. And we can here when we clicks on a particular agent, we are able to remove the agent, and this remove and adding the agent based on the overall agents. This is we can filter. Did you understand this? When
Yeah, basically like
when there should be the number
reviewing
of
the
orders,
agents based on
maximum
their
orders, both
performance.
based
Yeah.
third option. All the delivery now when he agent's location and is managing the
Mm.
ads.
Fine.
If filter, if suppose if 4 5 or 10 restaurants count should wants be mentioned to run ads, so they will send some request to this to the admin. Then then this admin now selects few restaurant for creating this banner and slides for it, like morning to afternoon or evening, afternoon to evening na, he will select, like suppose 10 restaurants are there, he'll select 5 restaurants for the morning session and 5 restaurants for the evening session, so that every ad will be run in the particular day.
Okay.
Mm. And he will create a banners and slides, that's it. And for the customer section is all customers will be displayed for the admin. Where he clicked on a particular customer na, he had a limited access, like what are the orders history, like this. And when he sees the total number of customers na, uh, like who ordered at least one or something, at least on a day or a month, like these are the filters. Suppose if uh, on the basis of day filter now, how many customers who are ordering the products, like that he will be knowing the count of the orders,
Okay.
count of the customers who ordered per day or per
Okay.
month, like that.
Yeah.
And here is how many members are signed in based on this filter, like in this month how many members signed in. Based on the years we'll be calculating the number of signed in and the growth of the sign-ins.
Okay.
This admin has this ability to see the overall view of the customers growth, everything.
Okay.
Let us go with vendor entry point. If the vendor, if he is a new vendor, he need to register the account first, like a few form filling steps will be there, like restaurants information. Basic step is restaurants information, like basic details of it, like owner details, restaurant name, location of the restaurant, and the owner contact details, like email, phone number, and WhatsApp number.
Mm.
And what are the working days, like suppose Monday to Saturday, if they are off in Tuesday or Saturday, they can off the days which they were want, which they were give holidays for the restaurant.
Mm.
And opening and closing time, like for every day, suppose every day has this particular timings like 8 to 12 or 8 to 11, or
Hmm.
a particular day has separate timings.
Yeah, basically working hours.
Yes, working hours.
Okay.
Okay, if every option is filled now, they will go to the next option, or else
I
they
have
will
a small doubt.
okay.
Like how, on what basis we can confirm that the restaurant was in a particular location?
On what basis, sir?
Yeah, what basis we can confirm that the restaurant was at particular location?
Actually, these are the details which were entered by the restaurant
Owner.
restaurant owner.
Hmm.
Verification is not done right now, right?
Yes,
He is
there.
entering the
Then
text.
what was the owner entering?
What
And
means
if we want to confirm the verification, then why he is entering?
I didn't understand.
So actually, there's an basic details of the restaurant, okay, and the owner details, restaurant name and location of restaurant.
Mm.
Who are going to submit these details or fill these details?
By the restaurant or other part beside him, anyone if
Okay, basically from restaurant side, not
yeah.
from the admin side.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
so how we are going to confirm that the details are true or they are correct in correspondence to what criteria? How we are going to verify those details are correct or wrong?
How we are going to verify means if like restaurant
Is
owner,
any verification done from the admin team?
yeah, verification must be done.
Okay, so do we have that process as well?
No, it's not there here.
Okay,
I,
basically you tell me orally. It's fine.
oh, okay. I'll complete this first. Then
Okay.
after you ask questions.
Yeah, sure.
If you have any doubt regarding this here now, you
Hmm.
right now you ask the questions. Out of this, you ask it at the end of the session.
No, no issues. Please
Okay.
continue.
They're the same steps like restaurant documents like PAN, GST, and bank details, account number and IFSC codes, PAN and GST as, and this certificate must be there for him. If he
Hmm.
has na a certificate number, he should enter, or
Hmm.
else there should be an applying link will be provided for him.
Okay.
And menu setup, what kind of food is available, like it's a vegetarian, only vegetarian, or only non-veg, or both.
Okay.
This must be ticked.
Hmm.
And uploading the menu card, if you have any like menu card, taking a photo and uploading it, or a word file or excel file
Okay.
on a particular size.
Hmm.
And packaging charges, if the product is manufactured by some other else, some other company, it has an MRP. If it has an MRP, there should be no packaging charges, like soft drinks and bread companies, other
Okay.
things.
Okay.
If he has no MRP, like he only manufactured it, he may put no charges or a fixed charges, or charges based on each price item's price. It can be decided by the app. Mostly in some other applications, it was decided by app. We
Okay.
can put on our own their own basis if you want.
Okay.
And partner's contract is like setting a person, like knowing him what the percentage commission. And onboarding fee, what is the onboarding fee. And contract approval PDF, like some other agreements, PDF will be there. He need to tick it after reading it. Platform processing fee he need to pay before completing this registration, using this credit card or net banking, and payment should be done. After payment is done, this everything registration, all the steps document will be sent for verification.
Okay.
After the verification is done successfully, a
भैया
person,
तो आप गए नहीं
when he verifies the total
सर
details,
वो
na,
बेटी का
then the
टूर्नामेंट था
owner
ना
gets
आज
the mail of the
मीटिंग है
updated
सर
verification, whether it
आप
is a
जाओ
verified or not. If it is
जाओ
verified,
फोटो जरूर खींचना
he
If you
must
allow
log
us,
in
we'd
with
love
the
to.
phone number, and OTP was sent to the phone
Garma
number,
garam
and
chai for
it
everyone.
redirects to
Whiskey on the
the
rocks, right?
dashboard.
Let's go. That's got a few.
There are some sections like in his
यार
dashboard, like
परसों इस
vendors
गधे का फेयरवेल है,
dashboard, na,
मैं
he
सबको
has
ग्रुप पे
menu,
मैसेज डाल देती हूँ।
orders,
कैसे
revenue,
बुलाएगी सबको
customer complaints, review and
रोया
rating,
हमेशा के लिए लंदन
and
जा रहा है
manage giving
पता नहीं यार
access,
फिर कब
like
मिलेंगे
managing to some other
जो भी
reps,
करते हैं दिल से
and
करते हैं
having the
है
notification
ना
and running ads. In the menu, adding the dish, like in this adding, whenever he will add the item or the dish, no, he need to enter the dish category name, and dish image, and dish description, price, kind of item, whether it is a veg or non-veg, how many people it serves, and preparation time, and some of the tags for the dish. And he need to be able to see all the items which he added, and we can edit the edit.
just give me a second please Saturday night meeting Saturday I
If a
can't I need
product,
you bro
if a
Saturday
item is he is not able to
Let's go.
cook right now, right at a particular time, he can put it as out of stock and turn it off.
इतनी हुआ
Listed dish is
Let's go.
not
Let's
available.
go.
If any category changes, like adding a new category like burgers or pizzas, or any, if he is a vegetarian, he is adding the non-veg also. Or
పొద్దున ఒక
fast
అమ్మాయిని
food,
చూసినా
he
మమ్మీ
can add
చూడగానే
category.
పిచ్చి లేచిపోయింది అనుకో నాకు
ఆడాలంటే అంత పిచ్చి ఉండకూడదురా.
And orders, when he gets the
చూడలేదే
notification
అంటే నువ్వు కాలేజ్
from the
కాదనమాట.
పెద్ద
customers
డిస్టెన్స్ ఏం
or
లేదు
the admin
పక్కనే
for
గిట్ల
verification,
పిలిచాడు గట్ల కొడుకు వచ్చేస్తా కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఇరా
if he accepts it, he have an options like what are the new orders,
మనుషుల మధ్య ప్రేమ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుందంట.
you
పనికి
can
వాళ్ళ
put the
మనుషులు పనికి వాళ్ళ కథలు
preparing time. If the order is ready, you can turn on the option and picked up an order history. Upon this order history, now he can filter based on the week, month, and year,
Okay.
on the basis of day also.
Okay.
He will calculate his revenue using the total number of orders, like total number of all orders,
ఏమప్పా పొట్ల రఫ్గా
advertising charges
తోపుతున్నావు
per
ఒక
month,
అమ్మాయి నడు
and commissions for
ముస్తారంగా
the
మసాజ్
app.
చేస్తారు
He
కదా
minus it and
పొట్ల
he
చెయ్యాలా
get
ఎవరితో
overall
మసాజ్
revenue generated. For this revenue is for looking out the profit of the deliveries from this app. And what are the customer
ఈ
complaints?
బండిగాడు
Like
ఏమైనా చేస్తే
filtering
పూరా చేస్తాడు
on the basis
100%
of
ఇచ్చి
day,
పడేస్తా
week,
ఏం
and year,
కొనుక్కున్నా
number of complaints and types of comments.
ఐ లవ్ యు తారా
ఎవరిరా అది?
దేవత
And review and
దేవత అయితే
rating is
మేము దయ్యాలమా?
filtering based on the average bid, or
తప్పనిసరి
it may be
పరిస్థితుల్లో
on the
మిమ్మల్ని
ratings,
పక్కన
like on the
కొట్టాల్సి
numbers
వస్తుంది.
also 1 to 5. And manage giving access
చేసుకుంటావా?
నువ్వేదో
to some other
అనుకున్నా
ends,
నీకు నాకు సెట్
like
కాదు
giving for the
Break
staff and admin and the self.
లవ్ లో
He will
వెతకాల్సింది
access everything.
ఆప్షన్స్ కాదురా.
Yes,
True
turning off and on. Same here, turning off and
Software
on.
job
For
కొట్టినా
staff, only limited
50
access will be shown, like accepting, preparing, only 4-5 options. That's it.
Okay.
For staff. And for admin, he have unlimited option. He can access everything. Only few things should be notified from the vendor. These things like rejecting an order, preparing, order ready, and picked up. These
Like,
things.
why did admin came into this picture?
Uh,
Like, why did admin came into this picture? Who is the admin here?
admin is the person. If he give the manage access to admin, na, he need to access right there.
Okay, if restaurant owner is going to give access to admin, then this functionality is done by admin, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And for the notifications from the admin, delivery agent, and customers can be seen here.
Okay.
like any messages or feedback, anything else.
Okay.
And running ads, he can turn on the option of running ads for a particular month. That's that's it.
Very well presentation. Should I ask the doubts or shall we go on to Prem?
Doubts, okay, doubts.
Okay. So my first doubt was like, how is restaurant? How we can verify that restaurant details are being given correct?
Verification will be done using by the person who visits the restaurant in the verification process.
Okay. So, like, how is going to come? Like, what is the initial process?
He has the information which he have entered, uh, and he checks the everything like
Hmm.
PAN card, GST number with the documents given by the restaurant
Okay.
owner there itself in the restaurant, and he checks in the online
Hmm.
same with using the links other we can check now any if
Hmm.
any like
Hmm.
IFSC certificate number if he
Okay.
he'll enter in the online, and PAN card, GST, everything will be done like that only.
So once he gets all verified, then he will visit restaurant, right?
Yes, yes.
So again, after coming to restaurant, what he will do? Like, what is the action there?
Before going to the restaurant, no, he will notify the restaurant owner like
Hmm.
be ready with these documents for verification,
Okay.
and he look out all the restaurant cleaning or tidy
Yeah.
or number of staff he have,
Okay.
and the size of the restaurant. He will note all these things.
Okay.
1000 salary.
Later, what is the
బ్లడ్
next
లాస్
action?
మధ్యలో చచ్చిపోయేటట్టున్నాడు మేడం. నా జీవితం సంకరాకిచ్చావు కదరా.
చాలా డేంజర్ క్యాండిడేట్ లో ఉన్నాడు.
And he have the support, I think so he have the support when he is collecting the information in the background, the other people will check the information.
Okay, he verified information, he
Okay.
collected information. Like, what is the main thing that he will do after coming to the restaurant so that the business gets immediately started?
After verifying these things which I have
Mm.
told now,
Mm.
then
Then what he will do?
like any messages or mobile number to whether it is verified or not, message will be sent after a day. He'll leave the restaurant and he'll go, and
Okay.
the message will be sent for him after a day.
Okay. What will be there in that message?
Like you are ready to partner with ready from now to deliver the products. That's it, something else.
How?
And some of the before before giving this access now, they train them like through a videos or some of the any content, so that how the actions should be performed.
Where all this will happen? In which medium? Orally or on a book or in which
Any
platform?
form like content, mostly it will be in videos, and when he comes now,
In which
he'll
platform?
explain.
Any YouTube videos or any particular platform, app? or anything
In
in
the
this
app itself, I think so.
which
They'll
app?
make a video for a particular for on the separate dashboards for these vendors.
The major point that you are missing is after verification is done, the admin staff will provide an outlet ID for the particular restaurant. And through that ID,
Okay,
the
okay,
restaurant owner should download a restaurant partner app. So
okay.
all this will be done in training and everything will be done in the partner app.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after
And the
coming the
restaurant ID will be provided in the next day, right? That's it.
next day, but yeah, all this activity is going to done in partner app because through the partner app only, right? The restaurant can start his business. So
Yes, yes.
without the communication channel, like he can't start, right?
Okay, okay.
The app was missed. And another question is how we can verify restaurant's location.
Restaurant location. Okay. When the like any agent like who who is going for verification now?
Support agent, okay, or
Mm.
field manager. It's
Field manager.
perfect term,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Field manager.
When he will go now, he has some links like Google uh, predefined like when we have an app now where current location we
Mm-hmm.
can find through that now.
Okay.
Like he will compare the both the locations.
Okay. And like, does location play any important role for the field manager?
Yes, it is must
For what?
for displaying the location in the customer's app.
Mm. Next.
And for everyone, customer or delivery agent, everyone.
Mm.
This the verified location of the field manager in the restaurant location will be stored for the customer and delivery agents and
Mm.
everyone in every platform.
So, through which platform this all this going to be managed? Like,
Through
there will be
Google
many, yeah,
Google Maps.
Google Maps. Okay. Yeah. Overall, well presented, well appreciated. Next, Prem, can you come up with your work? Yeah, Prem. Yeah, orally you can convey your, yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah, it's visible. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Limiting the access. Okay. 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 Sure. Mm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Sarashmi Garu, you can go. You can help me.
Actually, I have updated it. Huh? Okay. Hello.
Yeah, these minute and tiny details can be going with the flow in order to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, sorry for interruption. Like I didn't get you. Like whose dashboard are you talking about? Hmm. Oh, yeah. So field manager. Yeah, yeah. We had discussed oral, right? So that we could keep the note and could add it in next sprint. Apart from this, are we like according to your research, are we missing anything major? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good. Good job. Yeah, good job. Just a minute, guys. Please give me 1 minute. No. Let me explain. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm arranging my stuff. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, could you please confirm is my screen visible? Okay. Prem, like don't do any stuff. Just pay attention to my screen. Don't open the Miro. Yeah, perfect. So this is the use case diagram of the entire project that we are going to build. So this is a use case diagram. Basically, the use case diagram is meant to define the whole edge cases to be sorted for any project. So in this, the main characters will be the actor. So these are the actors who are the users, which are which who will be perfect performing particular respective task, and this will be this arrow mark that you are seeing is the actions, and there will be two kinds of actions, one which will extends and one which will include. Extends is basically it is plus one step of the existing activity, and includes which also includes the previous activity. So let us discuss start from the point of view from a user. So a user is some actor who basically just visits the app for the first time. So he doesn't have any intention to any book or just uh, book the order or pay for the order. Just he want to visit the app for the first time
అరే
and look
వీడిని
the,
గవర్నమెంట్ హాస్పిటల్
and
తీసుకెళ్దాం పదండి
they can come
మల్టీ
just for
స్పెషాలిటీ హాస్పిటల్
interface
అయితేనే వస్తానన్నా
or just for something like that.
నాకు మస్తు
So for
బాధ
that
అవుతుంది.
he can easily browse it.
నాకు కూడా అవుతుంది
From browsing he can
మన
also
గదిలో చిత్తేరుకున్న పిల్ల కూడా నీతో పెళ్ళి అంటే
Zoom in.
ఊ అనదు
yeah.
అంటది
Thank you. So he can browse it, and through browsing he can also choose a category, and from category he can go up to choosing food items, and from food items he can go up to add to items of the cart. Basically a user can do only this activity up to the adding items to the cart. uh, Correspondingly he can also choose the restaurants, and this is a cycle. After choosing restaurant also he can choose the food items. So this is the performance action done by the user. And next one is customer. So customer is someone whose main intention is to order and use the application which was meant to be. So a customer can browse. So what I mean by browse, he can go through all the steps and he can eventually add the item to the cart. And the customer main login, he can log in into the app through sign up, or else if he's existing customer he can simply log in, and through login he can also do all this stuff. And next he can place. Hmm. Yeah. So because yeah, you're right. So basically, this use case diagram is meant to perform like show us who all the actors can use this in what sense. It's just a rough overview. This is a starting point before planning any project. Like who could be the customers, potential customers. So from this we can drive the potential customers or paying customers. So these are the actors and action. Yeah, that's it. This is not the application point of view, just the business point of view.
What is the difference between user and the customer?
A user is someone who comes just to look the app. So user doesn't need to sign up or sign in. Basically, he can play with the app.
Okay.
And next, admin. As you know, admin can sign up and log in, and he can do all the performance. And system. System here, this implies the tracking system. Tracking system in the sense it will track all the actions provided by the menu, basically the backend system. So through the database, it can provide menu, it can collect orders, it can deliver products, and it can even collect the payments. Frame, yeah, okay. So the delivery agent. So this is the role of the delivery agent is to deliver the deliver the product, and basically it includes provide delivery address. From address, he can go up to uh, from delivery. He can receive and collect the orders like payment from the customer. This is a basic overview of the our application. So you can go through it. And next one, and this is an simple use case diagram. So this is a similar use case diagram, but it is meant with shoe use case. It's all with bubbles and arrow marks. So there will be the customer who comes from browse restaurants, place orders and track orders, and the restaurant owner is manages the menu, and food delivery system, it sends notifications, and a delivery partner who is meant to accept the, like, this is the prime first job of the each actors. Admin, he can generate reports, and this is a process flow. A customer places the
Can
order
you
details.
uh,
Yeah.
back the bubbles one?
Yeah.
Wait a second. Here.
Yeah. Hmm. This is the first action or first thing the actors can be performed.
Okay. Okay, you can continue.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a process flow diagram. The process starts from the customer end. So this is where our typically the business starts. The business starts from the customer once he places orders, and orders details are sent to the order service process for the order. So basically, customer places the order and order process it, and after upon confirming the order by the restaurant owner, the restaurant receives the preparing orders, how it should be prepared. And once it was done, then it is order ready for the delivery, and simultaneously a delivery partner is being assigned. Parallelly, the order is also preparing. Once delivery partner is being assigned, he will be assigning delivery. Delivery partner picks up the order, and live location is shared. Like whose live location? It is of the customers. Real-time tracking to the customer is enabled, and through the customer receives real-time updates, and customer receives the order. So this is the process flow of our application. And here comes the main thing, that is a U entity relationship diagram. Basically, it can it is the overall view of the databases in the backend and the tables that which you are going to use. So the first one is a customer. This is the module of the customer. Customer contains the customer ID, his name, his email, and his address. Once a single customer can place many orders. So, but it's not vice versa. The order can only come from one customer at a time. And the orders, this is the order details. Order contains an ID, order status, order date, total amount, customer ID, restaurant ID, and partner ID. So once order was being placed by a customer, then the order then the order can basically from where the order is coming. The order is coming from the restaurant. So the restaurant details include ID, name, location, and the menu items. And order was delivered by who will be delivered? A delivery partner. Order comes from only one restaurant. Even I had also practically tried it in a Zomato app or in any food delivery app. at a time we can't place order from multiple restaurants. First, we need to select a restaurant. Even though we selected 2 or 3 restaurants, but the algorithm or the system doesn't allow us to place orders from all the restaurants at a time. First, we need to go the first order from the particular restaurant. We need to pay it, and second, we need to go to another restaurant pay it. So, from that sense, I came to know that an order can be placed from only one and one restaurant. Fine. And then order is delivered by the delivery partner. Prem, is my screen visible? Prem. Yeah. But it's not showing. Okay, fine. Yeah. Or else record. Yeah, fine. Okay. So the order, next payment. Order has to be payment, and at a single time, one order can be placed by only one payment system. So order has to be paid by only one payment system, and payment details would be payment ID, payment method, status, and order ID. And the order should be tracked by the coordinates. Basically, what it implies is once a customer places the order from a particular restaurant, the after confirming the order details and parallelly it should be tracked by the coordinates. Basically, it implies the locations of the restaurant. So order should also be tracked by the coordinates, and each order should have only one coordinates. Basically, the coordinates of the particular restaurant from which the customer is ordering. After the order has been tracked by the coordinates, basically coordinates consists of a latitude, longitude, and date timestamp. So this is going to be redirected to the Google Maps, and from there the next work is going to be done. And once the coordinates were set, and it will be one coordinate can be like what it implies is one coordinate many delivery partners. It means that a delivery partner can uh, get coordinates of many restaurants, but it's not vice versa. A delivery partner should go to only one coordinate at a time. But after going to one restaurant, fulfilling this order, he can simultaneously go to another order before reaching the customer. A delivery partner can go to as many coordinates and he can take the delivery. But first of all, the coordinates should be gone by one delivery partner. So after this, the delivery partner role is going to become into the picture. The delivery partner should have the ID, name, the vehicle location, and the GPS location to track his live location. And as we know, the restaurant can have many menus. Restaurants can have many menus, and menu should be from one restaurant at a time. So this is a uh, entity relation diagram of the whole project. You can shoot me any doubts.
Why can't we place the like multiple orders from different restaurant at once? We
Yeah,
can implement in our app.
no, it can't be done because I don't know exactly. I didn't research among it, but I have tried with Zomato and Swiggy and other 2 to 3 apps. A user can
It's
add the
okay.
cart.
They are not implementing. Why can't we implement?
Yeah, because there could be a something logic regarding payments. Because if in a cart, sorry, let me complete. If in a cart, if you had different food items of different restaurants, how are you going to make the payment? If you're gonna make the payment, how it will be segregated to each restaurant?
You
Did
know,
you get my doubt? You get my point?
okay. My way is
Hmm.
from two restaurants. I'll
Hmm.
add them to cart.
Yeah, cart. Yeah, okay.
At once, the total amount will be shown.
Shown.
I
Hmm.
want the delivery to one location only, both the products.
Yeah, okay, done.
I'll order it directly
Hmm.
and I'll
But
pay the amount at
yeah,
once.
how is the payment is gonna be segregated to two different restaurants at a single time? You are going to pay the whole amount.
amount.
And who is gonna like divide half amount for the restaurant A and half restaurant for the restaurant B?
Okay.
So if there is something algorithm, like we can good to go. And I don't know the exact reasons. Maybe
Present we don't
yeah,
have that much idea.
we can research.
Actually, we can divide some other using some other algorithms if we know.
But but they could also easily implement, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So there could be something that we should dig upon, and we can maybe some innovation can be done in that part. Apart that, do you have any doubts?
No, that's it. No.
Yeah. So before that, just a minute. Give me a minute. Then we can end the live.